Let me show you how to make honey dirty matcha. I would highly recommend that you use the ceremonial process to make this. Into your matcha bowl, sift 1 teaspoon of pure matcha powder. We are going to make a paste out of this powder, so I'm going to add very little water, about 20 ml of warm or just room temperature water. To serve dirty matcha, I would suggest a cup size of no more than 6 to 8 ounces. Add about 1 teaspoon of pure honey and then fill it up to the top with your choice of milk. Combine the honey with the milk, and if this is pure honey, it should dissolve even in cold milk. Pour the concentrated matcha paste over, and what should happen here is that the paste stays on top. Look at that beautiful and creamy matcha paste. The way to drink this is to sip slowly from the top. Do not stir the drink, and enjoy the taste of the matcha as it slowly mixes with the milk. Perfect for those that are looking for a healthy and delicious matcha treat.